There's the beast. And it's gonna meet the pressure washer. Doesn't look too bad, but when that thing was in the house, oh my God, it's like, take that thing out there and take a sledgehammer to it. This looks like some peeling going on. That's see that there? Either that's scale or the actual, I don't know, porcelain can't do that, right? This here looks cracked, but it's probably a piece of hair. Oh my God, it's not moving. That looks like it's cracked. How that happened, I have no clue. So if this toilet's cracked, no use pressure washing it. I got this knife. Should reveal the crack. A smooth crack, is that possible? I don't feel the crack. Let me hit it with the pressure washer and find out. It's definitely cracked. But I've never seen a smooth crack before. Okay, that didn't sound right. Everyone saves the toilet seat, right? Next. Bam! Looks a little bit better. Not as much scaling. Inside the tank doesn't look that bad for 30 years old. I'm on a well system. Perhaps I have pretty decent water. There's some scaling. I believe that's caused from hard water. And this green stuff here, I believe is called oxidation, which usually forms on copper pipes at the joints. Typical stuff you get at the base. Here's the back of the beast. This is up against the wall. You got a lot of sweating going on in the summer months, and the whole tank is soaking wet and dripping on the floor. Of course, you can put those wraps, cloth wraps on there, the decorative wraps, but the bottom, anything that is exposed will sweat and drip. This here, who knows what that's all about? Unreal. That hardly never happens. That's a matter of luck right there. Yep, it's spinning the whole thing. Gotta get a screwdriver on the inside. Choose your weapon. Larger diameter bolt makes all the difference. Wow, thing was half stuck. This tank was always dry, but you can see hairline cracks going out from the bolts. So there's no way I would take the chance of putting this back in service. This area looks good, but I wouldn't dare buy a new tank for an old toilet. So in conclusion, having a pressure washer is a convenience. Just getting the toilet outside is a convenience. You can use a garden hose, and it gets everything clean so you can reinstall the parts a lot easier without all that gunk. It's a lot nicer work environment. As far as cleaning the toilet, after you get it all put back together and mount it to the floor, then you want to do the traditional cleaning. Pressure washer alone would not clean this toilet. Get you a new seat, clean the toilet, and you'd have a pretty nice looking unit. I'd like to thank everyone for watching. Hope this has helped someone out there. First thing I'm going to hit with the pressure washer is those cracks. Well, wait a minute. If it's cracked, why bother? How can you tell? A razor blade knife. A smooth crack, is that possible? It's definitely cracked. But I've never seen a smooth crack before.